Hello world! Hello po mga kababayan ko. Andito po tayo ngayon sa St. Joseph the Patriarch Parish Church of Alaminos City, Pangasinan, Philippines. Ngayon po ay dadalaw po tayo sa ating church, sa simbahan. Samahan niyo po ako magsimba. Ano, ito pa yung old structure. See? Ngayon, dadalaw po tayo ngayon sa ating simbahan Katoliko. Meron pong church, ano po. Pero wala pong ilaw. Dito po tayo sa church. Simbahan. Magdadasal po tayo syempre. Dati meron po yung ganito. Pero dahil sa bawal po yung iniiwasan po natin yung sakit. Kaya mamaya manalangin na lamang. Simbahan. Pero dahil wala pong ilaw. Pero mamaya dito po tayo sa church. Magsisimba po tayo ngayon. Magdadasal po tayo ngayon. What is that? Said hi. It's a church. Church. Our Saint Joseph the Patriarch Parish Church. This is made bamboo stick. Maganda dito ba? This is ito. It's a manual. This is manual. It's St. Joseph, the Patriarch Parish Church. There's no lights on kasi mandilim. Station ito. Station ito po. Let's enter. We will visit the church. This is our Catholic church. See the this is made of brass.
This window. Yes, yes.
This Saint Joseph. Saint Joseph, the Patriarch Parish Church of Alaminos City, Pangasinan. One of the tourist spots in Pangasinan. See the wood? It's made of glass. Emil Sarmiento, 2022. That's the portrait. Emil Sarmiento, 1993. Hello everyone. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming. And then this is our, it's Santo Niño. So Santo Niño, Santo Niño. And then St. Joseph the Patriarch. There's the St. Joseph the Patriarch. Porta Santa. Porta Santa. This is our church as a Catholic church. I'm a Catholic since birth, and I'm devoted Catholic. I visited each provinces. This is our Padre Pio. It's Padre Pio. This is a confession room. It's a confession room. It's already modernized. Although we have a confession room in a Catholic, I just want to share it with you all. To my fellow Catholic, hello everyone, God bless. This is the confession room. It's an old confession room. And we have a saints, Saint Jude. Prayer to Saint Jude. We have also a novena here. It's a novena. We will have a novena, but I'm just practicing my Holy Rosary. And this is Jose Maria, founder of Jose. This is a old modern Virgin Mary. It's an old structure, you see. Some of the saints are donated by fellow Catholic, and this is Saint Therese, Child Jesus. This is Saint Therese of Child Jesus. This is the real Saint Therese. There. And then this is our saint. Where to Saint Therese. And then our famous saint, of course, our Holy Mother, the Blessed Mother, Our Lady of Manaoag. Being a Catholic Christian, we are devoted to Mother Mary, to the Mother of Jesus Christ. Sa aking mga Ramil Concepcion, hello. Thank you very much at please subscribe to our channel, visit our channel, and to my fellow Catholic, hello. Maraming salamat sa Diyos sa inyo pong lahat. At ang pagiging Katoliko po natin ay isang deboto. And this is our Esther. This is Our Lady of Guadalupe. Thank you very much. You donated 100. This channel is not monetized yet. My first channel, Filipino Life Stories. Please visit also. This is Filipino TV, and you donated 100. I cannot get that 100 pesos. Thank you very much anyway. And this is San Jose. Thank you very much for the love offering. This is our Saint Joseph, Our Lady of... no, it's not Our Lady, it's Saint Joseph. Later, I will vlog this one. Maraming salamat sa Diyos at sa inyo pong lahat. And this is our perpetual Eucharistic Adoration Chapel. There. Later, I will vlog this one all entirely. This is the entire church. It's around church. From there. Hanggang dun.
Kung aano tayo sa mga sa tamang proseso, makabike,
Ito pa yung mga most reverend. Yan. That is a parish office. And this is the Holy Family. And then we are outside in the church. Thank you very much for coming. Please visit our channel so I can visit your channel too. This is the outside church. Akan by a candle. Walang candle. The lightning in the candle. Pero walang nagbibenta ngayon. This is Alaminos City. Yung mga trabaho namin, lahat sinasabay ko po sa yung mga fini-feature ko sa church. Sabay po yun sa trabaho po namin. Tinatrabaho po namin. And kung ano po yung lugar na naabutan po natin. Nasa labas na po tayo. This is the old structure of the church. The old po yan. This is the old structure of the church. There. This is the St. Joseph the Patriarch Parish Church. Welcome to Filipino TV, and this is Alaminos City, Pangasinan, Philippines. And we have a church here, St. Joseph. Ito po yung entrance niya, yan. It's a old structures, and meron pong ano dito, school. May school din po dito. It's a Colegio de San Jose de Alaminos. And then later, ikot po tayo. Maraming salamat. It's mainit. Ikot po tayo. This is Alaminos City, one of the tourist spots in Pangasinan, Philippines. Thank you very much for coming, for visiting our channel, Filipino TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, nasa outside na po tayo. This is it. There, 100 Island National Park. Yan. There. Yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, Sir Ramil Concepcion, and to Daron XB. Hello, thank you very much for coming. Please subscribe so I can visit your channel too. And then to Sir Daron XB. Oh, you donated 100. Thank you very much. But our channel is not monetized yet. Our first channel in Filipino Life Stories is already monetized. God will, we just have to continue our niche, and then I will visit your channel, Sir Daron XB. Thank you very much for your love offering. Oh, this is our church na. I'm outside in the church na. God bless. Thank you very much for coming, Sir Daron. Hopefully, I'm praying that our channel will be monetized and we will sharing our blessings to our community, to the community of fellow Filipino, and even not Filipino, our fellow people. And I wish all the prayers, our safety always while living in this earth. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Visit our place, Philippines, here in Pangasinan. Here in Pangasinan, the 100 Island, one of the tourist spot in Pangasinan. Where's my drive? Oh no. I'm outside the church na. You see the entire church? I'm here. Here. The St. Joseph Parish Patriarch Church in Alaminos City. Sir Baron, thank you very much for coming. Are you a Filipino? Sir Bacon, boy, thank you very much for coming. And Cruz, hello. Hello, thank you very much for coming. I really love to explore and I really love to masaya po sa pakiramdam na nagbibisita ka. Halos nagbibisita ka sa araw-araw. Yes, I am attending mass for my everyday life. It's a devotion. So, naisipan kong mag-live para makita po nyo ang difference. But later, I will vlog the entire. But there's no lights on kasi nagtitipid sa kuryente. That's why. And we have pwede kang bumili dito ng mga devotion natin, mga devotional halimbawa ito bibili. Hello sister. Hello sis. Pabili ng paypay. Yes. This is paypay abaka. May dubabaka. Yan habang nagpapaypay tayo. Yan. Bibili kami ng ating paypay. Pipili tayo ng malaki-laki. Yan It's beautiful. Sa pigas is 35. It's 35 pesos. We will select. Oh, yan. Maganda to. It's a heart shape. There. Habang nagbablog tayo, ganyan. Yan. Si brother. Yan. Maraming magagandang mga bracelet. Gano'n. It's 20 pesos. 80. 25 pesos. Isa handmade. Magkano brother Pwede ka rin bumili dito ng you can select to buy this one. Isa Santo Niño. It's called Santo Niño. The amount is 1.5. And then this is Our Lady of Manawag. Yan. Marami kang pagpipilian. Pero ako bumili na ako. But my favorite saints is Saint Michael the Archangel is my favorite. Oh, it's hot today. Hmm. Kaya find the novena. Ah, okay. It's novena of ano, ito. This one, yung mga novelty items about religious items. They have a religious item. We will pay the paypay. It's pamaypay made of abaka. Ito lang yung tawag to yan. Brother, abakaya wa. Ito tawag to yan. It's ano, banig. Ah? Ha? Ano ba yun? Palm, ano? It's a coconut, I don't know what. Oh, it's banig. It's banig. Magano, brother, we will buy the, I will pay the pamaypay. The paypay. Dali. Ibang mas maganda. Ay, it's your choice. It's your choice. Ito na, maganda. Sandali. O, yan. I will pay. Yan, 35 pesos, brother. Yan.
May pay ng pang...
Hello, this is the businessman, the brother. Ilocano, Pangasinan. Ilocano. Speak Ilocano. Say to Ilocano, brother. Say hi. Hello. He is my fellow Filipino. He is masipag. Oh. Yan, 35 pesos. Matagal ka na dito, brother?
Tagal na rin.
Since when?
2014.
Oy, 2014 pa. 2014 pa siya. Oh, for 11 years. Wow. Lumaki na yung store niya. Oh, marami siyang benta, mga religious items. Tsaka mga, oh, syempre, dapat meron din ito. No? O nga, makabili nga ng candy.
20.
Ito, 5 piso. May mabibili pa kaya to? Yun. Please, I will buy candy. Ano masarap pa? Ay, 5 pesos, 3 peso. O dito na.
3 piraso.
3 piraso. Choco. Choco. Ay,
Hindi assorted.
ay, pwedeng assorted. Ganon. So, bibili tayo ng... Ay, ito na lang gusto ko. Ayoko na yan. Ang gusto ko, freeze. Ito na lang. Dalo. O, yan. Dalawa. O, sige, 3 na daw. Sabi ni brother ko.
5 ka.
Oo. Candy. I am limiting myself to the soda. Bye-bye, brother. See you later. Live tayo sa YouTube. Oh, sabi ko, nag-live tayo. Oh. Yeah. Ah. Later. Punta po tayo doon later. Yan, oh. Dito po yung sa labas. It's a 100 Island. Yan. It's still ongoing yan. Oh. Yan. Dami. Papay-pay na ako dito. Ito na yung kasama ko. Whew. Oh. Oh. Wala pa yung mga nagbebenta eh. Ito oh. May nagbebenta na. Mga tusok-tusok. Pero hindi pa tayo bibili. Tusok-tusok pa meron. So for now, I'm going to the museum later. Okay. Sa basura. Whew. Oh. Thank you very much at naipasyal ko kayo sa ating live sa St. Joseph the Patriarch Parish Church of Alaminos City, Pangasinan. Yan. Ay, may black eye. It's okay na. Okay na. Nasakay na tayo. pawis.
Bukas na.
Ay, oo.
Wala.
Thank you very much for coming. Ah, Napagod ako. I'm tired of walking. It's okay, but it's hot kasi. Bigla, the weather is change. I cannot. Ay, nandiyan na. Thank you for now. Thank you very much, Sir Cruz. I will check your channel later. And to Sir Bacon Boy, thank you very much. To Daron XB, thank you very much.
Ay,
Thank you very much.
well,
Thank you very much. And oh, thank you very much, Sir Daron.
ano kami sila?
I'm praying that you will visit again to our live, and please visit our videos also. Thank you very much. And our church, Catholic churches, is we need to support our Catholic churches, so our spiritual is still continue. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Daron XB donated 10 pesos. 10 pesos. Ano to? 100? Ito. Yan. Please visit our channel.
Mano?
Thank you very much
20 mo pa nga.
for coming.
Si Anta, kama na sa pagitaran. Hindi po. Bigay na ako sa kanya eh.
Ala,
Kwan pala yon, hindi...
paano yun?
Doble na yung binigay ko sa kanya.
Bakit? Did she,
Hindi. Kala ko sa kanya kasi magbabayad. 20 ano.
pagsabihan? Oh. Bakit ganun?
Kaya mo naman.
Thank you very much for coming. I will end this video, our live. Today is going to the church to pray. Ipasyal kayo to tour you in our Catholic churches. And our town here in Alaminos City is one of the tourist spots in Pangasinan. Thank you very much for coming. I hope to see you again, Sir Daron XB. Thank you very much for the love offering. Please visit our channel. Please subscribe. Please support our channel, Filipino TV and Filipino Life Story. Filipino TV. Tomorrow I will go to live to Filipino Life Stories and to Soulful Bell. Hello, Soulful. Hello, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Soulful Bell. Titignan ko po yung channel mo later and to ano sinasabi nito? Cool. Oh, it's not raining, but why is my house raining? Your house is raining. Is it damages? Your house is it? Jutaleo Tisano. Lisa. Hello, Lisa. Please visit our channel. Our videos. Payakap. Embrace each other there. Thank you very much. To Sir Ariel Kison. Thank you very much. Sir Ariel. Thank you very much. Oh, it's a red ribbon there. Matalaon kin man ka.
Luka. Sa kilat.
Andi, di manood museum. Di mabiyag.
May baga.
Di mabiyag man. May museum man. Dead museum.
Ngayon ta.
Oo. May museum.
Dapat yung bagam lang nila. Paano ko lang.
Let's see. I will screenshot, okay? Ay, Sir Baron, oh. Ay, it's bata si Sir Baron. Oh, wait. Cruiseway. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At tayo po ay magtutour dito sa Alaminos City. Our live. So, meet and greet po tayo. I am a human, not a robot. I am your host. Next destination is our destination, one of the famous, I thought it's a museum. Is it finished? I don't know. Na-finish na po natin yun sa St. Joseph the Patriarch Parish Church. So, may paypay na tayo. Yeah, paypay. It's mainit. Yan. Okay. It's mainit na here. Still ongoing. Mamaya doon eh. Papasok sana ako doon kanina. Kaya lang, complicated. Yung dadaanan. Yan, papuntang 100 Islands. It's Alaminos 100 Island.
Museum.
Museum yan, di ba?
Ito?
Oo.
Hindi museum yan.
Saan ang museum nila?
Gymnasium yan.
Gymnasium?
Oo.
Oh,
Hindi yan museum, man.
ito Water District. Saan dito?
Walang museum dito.
Convention. Doon yung Buldo. Season. Okay. Walang museum. So, iikot na lang tayo.
Walang museum dito. Wala pa ako nakita museum dito.
Pala.
Ito pang...
Will round to rounds. Yan naman. Itong naikutan natin. Thank you very much. Ma'am Lisa, hello. Ma'am Lisa. Thank you very much. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday ngayon. Mamaya, bukas, magla-live po ako bukas sa para makapag-meet and greet po tayo. At syempre, gusto ng ating boss, YT, na makapag-collab po tayo sa community po natin. At inaaral pa po natin yung collaborations. Once that I have a time, pag may time po tayo, pwede yun. Pag meron po tayong time na makapag-collab. Mainit. Rounds and rounds. Go again. Ang going ni, going ni. Likod talaman ko. Litan laay. Oh. Actually, live may ginawak na.
Sabay manaya si
Sa patan.
Buddy at sa may Ken. May anak to eh. At sa nagpilit.
Okay na yun.
Kabats to eh.
Di ka ba may bagay?
May sabay ko na si Buddy.
May sabay saan?
May sabay labay rangga dulong ka po. San mambas lang. Kasampan. Sa pam.
Kaya tinawagan mo.
Kaya mawag na naman. Tutapot ang kumay. Nangyaring mga live materials para sa may supplies na
Ma'am Lisa. Soulfill Bell. Oo. Ka-friendship na kita ko Soulfill Bell. Mahirap pong ano dito, no? Pero tuloy-tuloy lamang po yung ating engagement. I will check your channel later. Ma'am Soulfill Bell. Thank you for coming. Payakap na po sa iba. Paki-check po yung mga channel po nila. Please engage. Thank you very much. Sir Ramil Concepcion, thank you very much. I will check your channel later. Please subscribe to our channel, and so we can have a opportunity to engage with our community posts. I need fried chicken. Gusto kong i-feature yung mga fried chicken eh. And this is the market of Alaminos. It's a marketplace. Maker. Marketplace. Alaminos. Umikot tayo. May bata dito sa may ano. Sumingit sila. Akula in picture ta ang bilungat anang namo.
Jai.
Hindi ang bilungat may kin may I have work later for this time I have a meeting, so I will stop this our live and I will connect to you all to our channel, to our videos later. Thank you very much for coming, for visiting our channel, and I will visit your channel too. Sir Cruz and Sir Bacon Boy, thank you very much. To Daron XB, you are Bacon Boy, you are number 1. Number 2, si Sir Daron XB, sabi niya, magbibigay ako 100 ka to. Kang ko agad mo yung monetize ka ko siya to. To Sir Ramil Concepcion, thank you very much for coming, Sir Ramil. And to Ma'am Soulful Bell, thank you very much. Hello, Ma'am. Thank you very much for subscribing our channel. I will check your channel. The important is to follow the community standards of our sa mga boss natin, sa YT boss. Siyempre, we have to follow our community standards so we can continue our engagement. And to Sir Judalio Tisano, thank you very much for coming. To Ma'am Lisa, hello. Ariel Cruz, thank you very much. To Osro Obi, shout out kay Ben Rucha. Hello to shout out kay Ben Rucha. Hello, Ma'am Ben. Hello, Sir Ben Rucha. To Astro Obi. And please check our channel, to our videos, so I can go back to you, to your channel if I miss it, and then I will visit again. Thank you very much. See you later po. Later. Thank you very much for coming.
Abo.
Oh, the electric, ano yan, no? Electric
Ka.
Hindi, electric
Vehicle.
bisikleta vehicles. Thank you very much. See you later. Huh? Tingnan natin yung top fans. Ayun, ang top fans. Isa. Screenshot tayo.